Hello everyone, welcome back to the part 6 of SQL. In this we are going to learn about default constraint. What is default constraint? When you're not giving a value into the table, then it's going to take as null. But instead of that, you can just tell that you can take a value by giving its name. Give the value name, and if you're not giving any value in the table, then it's going to place that value name there. It might be like a little bit confusing, but it will be easy. Let me explain you with an example. Here I have created a table water, and the place of the water means where is he from. He is from Chennai. Some people might be from Kerala, but you're not giving this value. You're not entering the where he is from. Then you're telling that take Kerala as a default value. Let me create this table, then you can understand it more clearly. I'm creating a table water where the place I'm setting it as a default value. I don't want to see it as a null. And if the user don't give any data, then I'm telling it to store Kerala as a default value. So let me create this table. So the table is created. After creating a table, let's insert the values into it. I'm giving name as Ram, age is 19, and I'm going to give the place he came from is, let's take it as Chennai, and let's insert this. Here we can see the place is Chennai. But what if we are not giving the place? Now let's insert another data into this where we are not going to give the place. We are only going to give name and the age into water and name and age. This is syntax. If you are not sure how to write this, then go to my part 1 video of SQL. There you can see how to write this. Just see my previous videos, then only come here so that you can understand clearly. Age is 20, and I'm going to close this, and data is inserted. Let me refresh. See, I didn't give the place of Raja, but as a default value, I have set default value to Kerala. So I'm getting it as Kerala instead of null.